Hello guys, I am in Georgetown, Penang, Malaysia. If you come in Malaysia, you come to Georgetown, Penang. It's called the capital city of the food, of Malaysian food. So now I will try some food for you, giving you some suggestions. Every time that I come in Malaysia, I try the kaya butter with the cold coffee that they make here. The coffee is called kopi C. I will take with the ice because I like the cold one because here is very hot. But you can also have the normal one, the hot one. The kaya is a jam made with coconut. You can find the recipe at the end of the video because I have already posted the video. Now we will enter in this coffee, in this coffee shop where they make on the street both the coffee and the bread, and we can try it. And after I show you other dish that you can try in this town. Hello guys, in my back there is a food court. Now we will try the Hokkien mee. That is a kind of soup with the noodles, very famous here in Georgetown. Let's see if it's good like they say. Okay, now we can order. And Hokkien mee, normal, and char kway teow, normal. With duck egg. No, normal. We don't know yet. Very good. There is different things inside. Prawns, boiled eggs, different kind of noodles. I will write the ingredients so it will be more easy to know all the stuff that are inside. So I think it's good. This is a bit spicy, so if you don't like the spicy food, you can change a recipe or say that you don't want spicy. Okay, now I will eat this one and after I will show you another dish. This dish is called char kway teow. It's another kind of noodles, but this one are dry. I will write you the ingredient also, this one. Good. This is more similar to the patio that they make in Thailand. Okay, this one was both good. Now let's try the mee goreng. Also this one is very good, less strong and less spicy, but still fishy. There is eggs, potato, spring onion. Okay, I will finish this dish. See you for the next dish. For sure not today because I am already full. Bye bye.
This one cannot eat, only display.
Okay, this one is called Kwai Cafe. It's a biscuit with coffee. It's Chinese biscuit. Let's try also this one. Also this one are good, very crispy. So if you come, you can try it. Okay guys, now we go inside. I will try the laksa. Yesterday evening where I went, the food was good, but probably was more for tourists. This is more local, so let's try it. Not bad, it's very fishy. There is also the lime inside, spicy but not too much, so it's good. So now I will finish this one and maybe we will try another dish. Bye bye. This one is called curry meat. It's better. I prefer this one. It's less salty, fishy, and less lemony, but it's more sweet, probably for the curry and the meat. So I think that this one is better. Okay, now let's try the chendol. It's very famous. It's like ice cream, so it's ice that on the top they put sugar syrup, noodles, sweet beans, many stuff. So now I will try it. Let's see if this cube is because it's only famous or also because it's good. Let's try it.
Satu tambah kacang taruh jagung. Ambo. Oke kan?
Sweet is sweet, but it's also strange because inside there is the beans. So here that is hot, it's okay, we can eat it, but it's not my favorite food. Okay guys, see you with the next dish. Okay guys, at the end of this trip I can say that I like this kind of dishes, so this kind of soup, but I prefer always something more consistent, like the one that is fried that I bought there. So remember that in Malaysia and also in Georgetown you can find many street food, so try it because they are very good. And there is also Indian restaurant, biryani restaurant, so try many things. If you have been here in Malaysia, let us know your opinion, write down in the comments. And remember to subscribe to the channel, leave me a like it, and watch the other video. Bye bye! When the thing comes fried, are always good. Bye bye!